I feel like the internet is flooded with content, with the Hormozy mindset where you must grind more, you just gotta put in the work, and that's all there is to it. And this is precisely why I'm making this video and showing you behind the curtains what it looks like to be an actual, fulfilled, aligned founder. And if you don't know who I am, I'm Levi, I'm 26 years old and I've been building companies for the last 10 years. And the more I got successful, the more I started to look at my everyday life and whether my daily actions actually gave me fulfillment, if I actually enjoyed doing them, if they actually suited my strengths. And this is not talked about at all. Today I'll bring you with me, show you how I navigate everyday life, how I deal with challenges, and I hope to give you some practical advice how you can find that alignment and direction in your life.
How was it?
Amazing.
Amazing.
Post-workout carbs.
Yeah.
I was looking at our financials and projections and where the companies are at. This year was the first year that we projected our revenues month on month, and now 1st of July 2026 I'm looking at the first half of the year for one of our businesses, and it's incredible how accurately we've been able to project everything. Like, look at this. Here in July we're projected to hit 115k a month, and if we look at our past July we have 23,269 euros. So we have literally 5x the business looking at the year before, and then from January, which was a strong month for e-commerce anyway, we have almost doubled the business from January. And we projected all of it. We literally saw this coming. And it's not like, okay, it's an easy walk in the park, but we knew that it's possible and we put in the effort. That's the quick business win. Now, other than that, life is good. I've been thinking a lot about impact and a lot about why am I doing the things that I'm doing. And later on this video, I'll talk more about that, more about evolution, more about what really matters in life and how do I relate to it and how should you relate to it, or at least give you a perspective on that. I'm reading one of my favorite books, Psycho-Cybernetics, and there's a version that has a lesson for every day of the year. And today's lesson was happiness is not a payout, it's a habit. So remember to practice that habit, because you could be objectively doing well, but still not that happy. We moved to a new villa, and let me show you. This place is so incredible. For transparency, I think we're paying around 6,000 euros, including utilities, a month. And I'm staying here with two of my entrepreneur friends. So here's what you get with 6,000 in Bali. So yeah, talking about the development, although I'm in e-commerce and I've been building online businesses for such a long time, I do have a dream of being involved in physical businesses and especially property development, because design inspires me, long story short. And the fun thing about design is every single thing in the world around us, every single thing that you see or feel or touch, it's all designed. Someone has really put a lot of effort and thought and care thinking about how to make this happen. It's been blowing my mind on an everyday basis. Property development, very inspiring. And yeah, let me show you the last master bedroom. So you open, like you're living in the jungle basically when you're sleeping like this. Let's see the bathroom. And shower obviously. And then it feels like you're in the jungle. It's a really awesome bathroom. And then you have a bathtub as well, which is not the most private, but it's a bathtub regardless. Anyway, that's it for the house tour. Hopefully it was interesting. I'm curious if you guys are inspired by building property or building your dream house. I feel like this is one of the core dreams of mine, to build my dream house, really think it through, have my grand piano and have my amazing mountain view and so on. Maybe I can leave you with the question, are you finding inspiration in the stuff that's surrounding you? I'm gonna go for dinner with some friends and then we're gonna go see the sunset. Should be good. I'll take you with me and you're gonna fall in love with Bali with me.
Oh my god. How is it?
God's composition. I think.
God's composition.
Sorry, Mama. There are times I get carried away. Please, don't worry. Next time I'm home, I'll still be the same.
I'm trying to get my tennis game back up, and thank you Milos for giving me a good rally, and later we're gonna join him and his family for a boat trip around Komodo Islands. It's gonna be sick. You're gonna see at the end of the video. Alright guys, I got just done with journaling, and today I was feeling that I woke up with a great night of sleep. I slept over 9 hours. Yesterday I was tired from the gym and from the work day. I got a massage. Really took care of myself yesterday, and then I got a really good night of sleep, and I'm clearly feeling like that today. Like I'm feeling so energetic, so inspired, and that's something I journaled on. I also journaled on feeling more positive and more confident in my ability to reach my goals. For example, with content, I'm feeling like it's just a matter of time when I'm hitting my goals with content, when I'm actually getting to inspire a lot of people. Yeah, there's no doubt in my body that it will happen as long as I keep consistent. And I'm really proud of myself for not only feeling like that, but also showing up every day in order to make those things happen. Why I'm doing things is impact. I feel like I'm a very impact-driven person. It's that thing that pushes us forwards. It's the thing that I'm progressing, but also humanity is progressing. And I call that evolution. That's the fundamental force that's driving us. At least that's driving me. And the impact is the measure by which you're contributing to that evolution. What is evolution, and how do you quantify evolution? The closest thing to quantifying evolution is looking at the collective consciousness. A low level of consciousness is when you feel a lot of feelings of like low vibrational feelings like fear, guilt, doubt, resentment, even anxiety, jealousy, hate. These things are low vibrational things. Now it's really about, okay, how much are we calibrating in the low vibrational states compared to the high vibrational states like inspiration, joy, happiness, love, faith, belief, these types of things. And you know when you're feeling confident and joyous and grateful, you're overall a better person. You're treating others better. You're focusing on the things that you're supposed to be focused on. You know, you're just making a positive impact.
You make my earthquake. Oh, you make my earthquake. Riding around, you love me, shaking me up, and it's making my heart break. You make my earthquake. Oh, you make my earthquake. Riding around, you love me, shaking me up, and it's making my heart break. Don't leave, it's my fault. Don't leave, it's my fault. 'Cause when it all comes crashing down, I need you. 'Cause you make my earthquake. Oh, you make my earthquake.
For such a long time, I was just grinding, working harder, and I was afraid to take time off. Until I realized that happiness is a habit. It doesn't necessarily mean that you need to take time off or disconnect completely, but that for sure helps. I enjoyed this trip so much, spending some time with incredible people, inspiring conversations, and nature was incredible as you can see. So see you in the next video and enjoy some time off. Bye bye.
It's my fault, girl. Don't, I'll need